Hello students, today we are going to discuss ionic equilibrium. Okay, the question number 46. So, the solubility of CuBr 2 into 10 power minus 4 mole per liter at 25 degrees Celsius, the solubility product. So, CuBr, how to split this one? We can split into copper plus Br minus. Okay, now see this one. Ksp is equal to concentration of copper and concentration of Br minus, copper plus Br minus. So these are S and S. So Ksp is equal to S square mole. So the unit is mole liter inverse per square. Okay. So see this one. What is the value of S? So the solubility is given 2 into 10 power minus 4. So 2 into 10 power minus 4 square mole square liter power minus 2. So square this value, 4 into 10 power minus 8 mole square liter power minus 2. So this is the value of CuBr, the solubility value. Okay. Now, so the answer is 4 into 10 power minus 8 mole square liter power minus 2. So now the question number 47. A certain buffer solution contains equal number of x minus and hx. Okay. The Kb value for this one, the Kb value for this x minus is equal to 10 power minus 10. So here they are asking the pH of the buffer solution. Now see this one, the Kb, for example, this x minus reacts with the H2O, it forms Hx plus OH minus. The concentration of OH minus ions, okay, so which are 10 power minus 10. Now see this one, so we can say that Ka Kb is equal to Kw. So we know that the base which ions which are 10 power minus 10. Now see this one, what is Ka? So pKa into pKb is equal to pKw, we can write it as. What is pKa? So we don't know, so minus log Ka. So pH, what is the pH? pH plus pOH equal to 14. Okay, so is equal to pKw means 14. 14 means the value is 10 power minus 14. Okay, so the pKb value is 10 power minus 10. So the log Ka, so pH equal to minus log Ka, pH is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 4, right? So what is meant by pH? pH equal to minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ions. Now see this one, minus log to the base 10 concentration of what is the H plus ions, which are, so the concentration of H plus ions. So here we can write as pH. Okay. So here 1 into 10 power minus 4. So log 1 is 0. So log 10 power minus 4 is minus 4. Here is minus, okay, plus 4. So the pH value is 4. Okay. Now the question number 48. An aqueous solution of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Okay, an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate is the alkaline solution of is alkaline because of sodium carbonate is a salt of. Now see this one, when you hydrolyze this compound, that one converts into NaOH plus H2CO3 carbonic acid. Okay, so this acid is a weak acid and this particular base is strong base. So weak acid, strong base, so which one has more concentration? So the base which has more concentration. Okay, so due to these reasons this Na2CO3 salt which is alkaline nature. So because of this NaOH produces, because of this NaOH is a strong base. Now so the answer is, so the question number 48, answer is 1, weak acid and strong base. Now the question number 49. So So the pH of the solution, negative logarithm of H plus. Okay. So what is meant by pH? pH is equal to negative logarithm minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ions, right? Now, so it's a concentration of H plus ions. It's based on moles per liter. Okay. So the answer is 4. Now the question number 15. So in equilibrium, so they given A minus reacts with H2O, it forms Ha plus OH minus. Okay. So they given Ka value, so we need to find they given the hydrolysis constant. Okay, the degree of hydrolysis. Ka is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. So what is concentration? The concentration of these ions, the H plus ions, which are 10 power minus 3. Now see this one. So the degree of hydrolysis, right? Now, so what is Kh? Hydrolysis constant Kh is equal to Kw by Ka. What is meant by Kw? So Kw is 10 power minus 14 by 10 power minus 5. The value is 10 power minus 9. Now, here it is hydrolysis constant. H is equal to square root of Kh by C. The formula is H is equal to square root of Kh by C. So what is Kh here? So Kh is equal to square root of 10 power minus 9 divided by 10 power minus 3. So the value is square root of 10 power minus 6. So the H is equal to 10 power minus 3. Okay. Now, so the question number 51. So now see this question number 51. So it's based on statement question, statement based. The pKa of acetic acid is lower than phenol. So which is more acidic, phenol or acetic acid? Phenol is more acidic because of it readily donates. It can become a phenoxide ion. It readily donates H plus ion. Okay. Now the statement 2 is phenoxide ion is more resonance and it is stabilized. Yes, phenoxide ion, it gives a phenoxide ion. Now, so here the statement 1. So the pKa of acetic acid lower than that of phenol. Okay. So the pKa is lower means it's a weak acid. Okay. So pKa is lower or Ka is higher. Okay. So pKa is lower and Ka is higher. You can call it as weak acid. For strong acid, pKa is greater. So Ka is lesser. Okay. So here the statement 1 is true. So and phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized. So phenoxide ions will involve resonance. Now see this one. The statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Okay. So pKa is less means is lower than the pKa value is lower than we can we can say that pKa is lower means that one is weak acid. Yes, correct one. So here it is the answer. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So the answer is 3. Now the question number 52. An aqueous solution of AlCl3 is AlCl3 reacts with H2O. It forms AlOH thrice plus HCl. This AlCl3, it forms AlOH thrice and how many mole of HCl? 3 mole of HCl. So this HCl is a strong acid. Okay. So due to these reasons, an aqueous solution of AlCl3 is acidic in nature. Okay. So the answer is 2, which is acidic. Now the question number 53. An alcoholic drink, the substance pH is 4.7. So then OH minus ion concentration of this solution. So the pH is equal to 14. Yes. So now see this one. Alcoholic solution drink substance pH equal to 4.7. Then concentration of OH minus ion. So we can say that pH plus POH equal to 14. What is POH is equal to 14 minus pH. The pH value is 4.7. Okay, minus 4.7. So the value is 9.3. Now, so pH is equal to 9.3. So POH equal to 9.3. What is pKb? So the concentration pKb is equal to minus log Kb. So we need to find out the Kb means minus log to the base 10. So here it is 9.3. Then how will you find out this 9.3 actually? So here it is the value. So it should be 10 power minus 10. When you take this log 10 power minus 10, so minus log to the 10 power minus 10, the value is 10. Okay, the value minus 10, this minus will become plus. Okay, now so here it is. So the value is 10 power minus 10. So see this value 10 minus 9.3, the remaining value is 0.7. What is the value for log 5? So log 5 is log 5 value is 0.60. Log 6 is 0.72. So we can take it as log 5.5. So the value is 5.5 minus log 5.5 into 10 power minus 10 value is, you will get approximately 9.3. Okay, so here they given 5 into 10 power minus 10 is the correct answer. Okay, so the answer is 4. Now see this question number 54. An aqueous solution of HCl pH equal to 4. So what is mean by what is pH? pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ions. So pH is equal to 4. So when it will be 4, it means minus log to the base 10 concentration of 10 power minus 4. Then only it become pH equal to 4, right? So here it is. So the answer is so 10 power minus 4. The answer is 1. So 0.0001 molar. Okay. Now the question number 55. So H2S in the reaction, it reacts with the base H2S. It gives 2 mole of H plus S2 minus. Now when NH4 is added, when ammonium hydroxide NH4OH is added, now this NH4OH becomes NH4 plus OH minus. This H2S, so previously we given, so in the case of OH minus reacts with H plus, it forms H2O. Okay, so the H plus and OH minus gets cancelled. So here we can say that the concentration of H2 minus, okay, so the concentration of H2 minus will increase. Okay, so see this one, this NH4 concentration will decrease. So in the case of, when you cancel this one, cancel out this one, okay, so the concentration of H2 minus in product increases. Okay, so now, so the question number 55 answer is 1. The question number 56. Boron halides behave as Lewis acids because of they are incomplete octet electrons. So due to these reasons, these boron halides we can call it as Lewis acids. Okay, so they are electron deficient species. Now the question number 57. pH of hydroxyl ion is 5. Okay. So pH of hydroxyl ions means OH minus ions are 5. So the value pH they are asking, right? So what is mean by P? Yes, they are asking the it's a hydroxyl ion concentration. pH is equal to 5. I'm sorry, H plus pH equal to 5. So in the case of POH is equal to 14 minus 5. Correct? Now, so this value is 9. So we can take it as so when it will 9 will come. So minus log concentration of OH minus, so 10 power minus 9. So then when you take this value, then only you get 9. Okay. So the concentration of hydroxyl ion is 10 power minus 9. Answer is 1. Now see this question number 58. So it's a statement based question. So addition of silver to the mixture of aqueous solution of sodium NaCl, NaBr and AgBr. So sodium bromide will first precipitate AgBr rather than AgCl2. The statement 2 is Ksp of AgCl is greater than Ksp of AgBr. Now see this one, the statement 1. So which one the precipitated very easily. So here it is, the first precipitated solution is AgBr first precipitated, then after that AgCl because of it has more molecular weight. Okay. So now the Ksp of AgBr, the solubility product which is greater, that one should have less precipitates. Okay. So the given value is, so the given exact value is Ksp of AgCl greater than Ksp of AgBr. If they given like this now, so this one is correct. Now, so this one is, so Ksp of AgBr as greater. Okay. So Ksp of AgBr as greater means, so NaBr is precipitated. Okay, which one has solubility product? Okay, so that one has less precipitate. That one gives less precipitate. Now, so the statement 1 is true. So statement 2 is false. So the answer is 3. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Now the question number 59. So baking soda. Okay, so the baking soda we can call it as, it's a acidic salt. Now question number 60. 10 power minus 6 molar HCl is diluted into 100 times. So 10 power minus 6 molar diluted into 100 times, you can call it as 10 power minus 8 molar. So in the case of H2O which has 10 power minus 7 molar. So water is a neutral, so the pH is 7. So take these values, so take separately 10 power minus 7. So from this values, okay, 10 power minus 7, and you will get 10 power minus 1 plus 1, and 10 power minus 7 0.1 plus 1. Okay, so we will take as log minus log to the base 10. So concentration of 10 power minus 7 plus log 10 power minus 1. So the value is 7. So here it is. Okay, so 10 power, yes, here it is 1.01, right? So this value is 1.01. So log 1.01. So log 1 is 0, but log 1.01 is as value, the value is 7 minus 0.0414. So the value approximately 6.956. So the given answer is 2. Now the question number 61. Now see this question number 61. the compound HCl behave as. So see this one, HCl, when it reacts with HF, it gives H2Cl F minus. So which one readily donates H plus ions? So here this HF donates H plus, so then only it becomes H2Cl minus, H2Cl plus, okay, so F minus. So which one donates means, so that one acts as acid, which one acts as means that one acts as base. Acid minus H plus is conjugate base, base plus H plus you can call it as conjugate acid. So which one is correct here in this case? So we can call it as they are asking about HCl, right? So HCl is acid or base. So this one accepts this H plus ions according to this equation. Okay. So this one accepts this H plus ions. So we can call it as this HCl is acts as weak base. Okay. So the answer is 4. Now the question number 62. Now see this one. The pH of a solution of 10 ml 1 normality acetic acid. So pH, so they given salt, sodium acetate and acetic acid. So sodium acetate is a salt, acetic acid is a acid. So what's the formula? According to Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt by concentration of acid, right? So what's the value of pKa? So the pKa value which is, so the pKa is minus log Ka, right? What's the value of Ka? So pKa we can call it as minus log Ka plus log to the base 10. What's the concentration of salt? So the concentration of salt they given 100. So the concentration of salt is 10, right? So the concentration of salt is 10 and the value of this one is 100. Okay. So because of 2 normality. So 50 into 2 we can multiply into 100, right? So here this log Ka minus log 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 plus log 10 power minus 1. So the value we can call it as minus log 1.8. So minus log 1.8 minus log 10 power minus 5 minus log plus log 10 power minus 1. Now see this one becomes plus, right? So 5 minus log 1.8, log 2 value is 0.3010. So here we can call it as minus 0.25. Here it is minus 1. So the value is approximately we are getting, so 4 otherwise 3.75. So this value approximately given in your options is 4. Okay. Now the question number 63. So the given Ksp value is 1.8 into 10 power minus 10. So the given Ksp is 1.8 into 10 power minus 10. So which one precipitated easily? Okay. So the concentration which one has greater, so that greater than Ksp we can call it as that particular compound can be precipitated very easily. Now so see this one, option 4, it has 10 power minus 4 concentration of Ag plus and 10 power minus 4 concentration of Cl minus, correct? This Ksp is very lesser than this concentration of Ag plus concentration of Cl minus has greater values than Ksp. So when Ksp is lesser, okay, that one precipitated very easily. Okay. So previously we discussed in statement based question, which one has less Ksp value, so that one has more precipitated. Okay. So now we'll discuss the question number 64. Now see this question number 64. So the gastric juice in stomach contains KSP is 1.8 into 10 bar minus 10. So I'm sorry, the value is the gastric juice of stomach contains HCl, which has the concentration is 0.01. So concentration of H plus is 0.01. So pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 H plus minus log to the base 10 concentration of 10 power minus 2. So the pH is 2. So question number 64, the answer is 2. Now the question number 65. So which of the following will react with water? So when it reacts with water, the pH is less than 7. So now see these options. Option A, P2O5. Option B is Na2O. When it reacts with H2O, it forms NaOH. It is a strong base. So base means it has pH is greater than 7. Now the next one is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide reacts with H2O, it forms calcium hydroxide. This hydroxide is also more basic in nature. After that, barium oxide. Barium oxide is a metal oxide. When it reacts with H2O, it forms also again barium hydroxide. Okay, so these all are bases. Okay, so which is alkaline in nature. So the P2O5 is acidic in nature. Okay, so P2O5 when it reacts with H2O, it forms H3PO4. So it is acidic in nature. Okay.